Hey everyone, it is that time for a spring edition of our Tara's Must-Have. You guys, I can't even stand how adorable this is. It is our adorable spring tree. I'm gonna just keep saying adorable. It's made in resin. It has these gorgeous hand-painted eggs, some with a little speckle, some with a little crack. I mean, look at all of the detail and everything that is on every single egg, all of them adorned with a beautiful special touch. Even the little spring basket, oh, by the way, it's removable. The spring basket is even hand painted. Look at that with like the little loops there. Why is there a hole in it, you may ask? Oh, I'm so glad you asked that. Because when you're not using it as a tree stand, you can go ahead and use it as your taper holders. So if you're picking up more than one set, which I highly recommend, remember you're gonna receive one tree, one base. If you pick up two, you can do your tapers, which is fantastic. You can see here I lined them down the table. Where can you get these? They're over at temp-tations.com. They're $19.95. You're gonna get that beautiful resin base, that beautiful resin tree, our spring egg tree. And look at how beautiful this entire table looks, whether you picked up our linens of our egg hunt with our little bunnies, or you picked up our celebration plates. So many fun ways to set that gorgeous spring table, and it's just so refreshing. That's why we made it a Tara's Must-Have. We do not have a lot of these to go around. It is definitely a special limited edition, and the first time we have ever done a beautiful resin spring tree with, of course, that adorable little pail that it sits on. I can't even stand it. And look at this. Absolutely stunning, and still all individually hand painted. All right, head on over to temp-tations.com and check it out under $20. Love it.